Welcome back to day 2 of 100 Days of Code in Python. If you're here, you have already taken the first step towards becoming a proficient in Python programming. Today we are going to dive deep into the very basics of Python. Understanding the basics is important for developing a strong foundation that will help you tackle more complex problems as you progress. Python syntax. Syntax of programming language refers to the set of rules that dictate how programs written in that language should be structured. Python is designed to be highly readable, with a clean and uncluttered visual layout. Data types. Python has several built-in data types. Here are some of the most common ones. Integers. For example, 1, or 2, or 6. These are the numbers without decimal point. Floats. A number with decimal point. String, for example, written inside of quotes, hello. This is string. Lists, for example, 1, 2, 3. These are lists. Tuples. Tuples are similar to lists, but could not be modified after creation. 1, 2, 4, 2, 3. It could not be used because it's inside of these quotes. Dictionaries. For example, name John. But we have to write this inside a string. And John too. Yeah, now it's dictionary. Booleans, for example, true or false. Booleans are only true or false. For example, now variables, the most interesting ones, my favorite ones. A equals 3. Now when we write print A, it will print 3. So now let's write the first lines of our Python code. I'm so excited. Okay, so now let's write print hello world. Yeah. Also, let's write here a comment. So also comments. We write a comment front of this mark. So what we write, it will not be counted. So I will write this will print hello world. Okay, so now let's run. So as you see, it printed hello world. I will delete comment. So congratulations, you have just written and executed your first lines of Python code. Remember, it's important to keep the learning momentum going. Remember, every line of your code you write brings you one step closer to becoming a Python pro. Keep up the good work and keep the learning momentum going.